everyone, I'm Miss Rima, and today I will give you some quick tips to improve your English writing skills. Let's get started. Well, when you want to write a letter, there are three things that you need to pay attention of. Number one is the capitalization. Number two is the punctuation, and then the number three is the text structure. Let's see the explanation. Number one is capitalization. It means that using a capital or uppercase letter in the word. Let's see some rule of capitalization. Capitalize the first word in a sentence. You are my best friend. The first word in a sentence is you, so we will capitalize the letter Y. The next rule is capitalize the pronoun I. My friends and I like listening to pop music. The pronoun I is always in a capital letter. The next is capitalize the name of people, places, or specific locations. And the last is capitalize the opening and closing of letter. Now let's come to punctuation rules. Every sentence must end with a full stop or period. Use comma to separate items, things, or sentence in series. Use exclamation mark at the end of exclamatory sentences. Question marks go at the end of interrogative sentences. Use round brackets to add extra information to the sentence. Quotation mark is used when quoting what someone has said before. And now let's come to the text structure of a letter. The structure of a letter are sender, receiver, salutation or greetings, introduction, the body of a letter, closing with signature. How to write a letter or an email? Number one is write an opening formula. Number two is introduction. Write a little information about yourself and the reason why you are writing. And then number three, write more information about the topic or the main idea of your letter. Number four is conclusion. Say what you expect from the person you are writing to. And then closing formula with signature.